Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. And today's video is going to be very quick, but it's about our follow-up to our IBC Wicking Bed. It's a raised bed garden made out of an IBC Tote, and it's 1 year old. So I just wanted to show you, this is our winter garden and our third crop. It's almost a full year old. We put it in early spring of last year when the pandemic began. And I wanted to show you how well it's doing. It has been, for me, during the full season, the full year, the best raised bed garden I've ever had. In it right now we have garlic and cabbage, carrots, spinach, and a couple potatoes. And like I say, this is the third crop. We've also had beans in there and more carrots, a couple waves of carrots. We've had lettuce, more spinach. And that was earlier in the year. So the number one reason why this is so good is because during the summer, when it gets incredibly hot, and it doesn't rain here in Southern California for months at a time, from spring through winter, it does not rain. So when it gets really hot in the summer, I'm able to fill the bed completely full from the bottom and saturate the soil and then drain it off. So it gets a really good watering. There's the drain there. I can fill it from the top. That watering will last 2-3 months. Our soil is really good at retaining moisture if it can get it. So this is a quick update. I will keep you going because I'm actually going to be putting in a few more of these beds. They've been so good that I'd like some more. Oh, also the dogs have not gotten in here, not even once. So that is a really, really good development. So I'll keep you posted on how the rest of the projects go. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me comments if you're curious or have questions about how it's been going with these raised garden beds, and subscribe because we've got some really great adventures coming along for this year. It's our 10-year anniversary at Suburban Stone Age. So yeah, subscribe, stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of fun. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.